Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this Halloween spiderweb poncho. And you will make this any size by simply adding more and more rows. To make this project, I worked with Red Heart Super Saver and a 12mm crochet hook. I started with a slip knot and I chained 44, or any number that you need to be able to join this and slip it very easily over the head. So start with your foundation chain, and when you have your foundation chain the correct size, you're going to slip stitch to join, and you're going to form a large ring that will slip over the head. For the first row, chain 2 and double crochet in each stitch all the way around. So make 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way around, and that will form the neckline. So work all the way around your circle. Okay, when you've worked all the way around your circle, you're going to slip stitch to join in the top of the first chain 2. And there's what that will look like after you have double crochet all the way around your foundation chain. You're going to chain 2, that takes the place of the first double crochet, and then chain an additional 3. So 1, 2, 3. So that's a total of 5 for the very first segment. You have chain 5. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch. Now between each of the double crochets, you'll chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next. And you're going to repeat that all the way around. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next. So work all the way around. And when you've worked all the way around, after working the last double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And there's your first chain 5, slip stitch to join in the second stitch of that first chain 5. So now we're going to increase by 1 stitch between each double crochet for every row. So you're going to chain 2, that's the first double crochet, and then we're going to chain 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's a total of chain 6. Double crochet in the next double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet in the next double crochet. Like that. So that was chain 3. This is chain 4. And the next row will be chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9. And just continue to work that way until you have your spider poncho as long as you would like it to be. Work continuous rows, increasing by 1 chain between each of the double crochet stitches. And you just continue to work as many rows as you need for the length of the poncho that you would like. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet this Halloween spider poncho. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.